Today we're going to look at how to get these carpets clean again. So just using our drill brush, few attachments, thread with the foam sprayer, and you can see in the corner there some of the mould and coffee stains. So let's get to it. So first up, starting off with thread. This contains optical brighteners and softeners just to keep your carpet nice and plump and soft after it's been cleaned. So as you can see, just spraying it in the most effective areas and then lighter in the middle where it's more clean. The other thing you want to do is just wait about 30 seconds and until the foam dwells or dies down slightly, and at that point we are going to break out the drill brush. So nice even pressure, and you're just working that detergent into the carpets. Don't worry too much about it foaming up in certain areas and not others. It's just the fact that it will be spreading across the whole carpet, so it's probably just applied slightly more heavy in some areas rather than others. And as you can see, those pesky coffee stains in the corner. This car does have car mats, so the middle of the car isn't too badly affected. Just leave that to dwell for maybe a couple of minutes. Now what you can see is this is just with the drill brush, we've not extracted, and you can see the difference. Now at this point we're going to move on to our Vax extractor. It's okay guys, it's absolutely fine for beginners and if it's just weekend warrior type stuff, but myself personally I found the suction slightly low. I had to work the carpet for a really long time to get any of the water, which I'm just going to show you. So if you just spray that there, that will dispense some water and just dilute the soap down that you've already applied or the detergent. I would say guys, don't use APC or that type of thing on your carpets. Make sure it's a proper upholstery cleaner. APC will simply just damage the carpet in the long term and make it more difficult to clean. So just make sure when you're extracting, you are getting all of that old detergent out of the carpet. I was finding that I was actually picking up stuff that probably from the carpet being cleaned in the past as well. Onto our carpet stripe tool, and as you can see, some nice lines in there, and if you check that left hand corner, it's all clean. Thanks again guys, take care, bye bye.